Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can stop Microsoft spyware on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to the setting. I'm going to click on the start menu and then select setting. And we need to go to the privacy and security and to disable the Microsoft spyware or to prevent the Microsoft from spying our device. We need to turn off the activity history. Go to privacy and security and select activity history, and you can turn off this menu, store my activity history on this device. Okay, and go back to the privacy and security, and then you can limit the app permissions on your device. I'm going to go to the location and I'm going to turn off the location for Microsoft Teams, so this application can't access my location. Okay, and for maybe for this one as well. Okay, but it's not necessary. Make sure that Microsoft can't access your location. Okay, and go back to the privacy and security, and I'm going to limit the camera access as well. Okay, I'm going to turn off camera for this one, and I'm going to activate this camera for Microsoft Teams if it's needed. Go back to the security, and the last one is microphone. Okay, make sure you disable microphone access for Microsoft Copilot and this Copilot. Okay guys, and that's all the way to stop Microsoft spyware. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.